Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's topic is object and classes. Before knowing about the object and classes, we should understand about the Java. Java is the object-oriented programming language. First of all, we have to differentiate between the procedural programming and object-oriented programming language. Uh, about the procedural programming, the writing procedure or the method that perform the operations on the data, and the object oriented programming is about the creating the object that contains both data as well as method. The advantages of this object oriented programming are that this object oriented programming is faster and easier to execute, as well as this provide the clear structure for the programs. This helps the Java code to make easier maintain, modify and debug. This OOP makes it possible to create the full reusable application with less code and shorter development time. So in this OOP, that is object oriented programming, there are two very important parts. They are class and object. Class is the template for the object and object is the instant of class. So first of all, class. The class is the group of objects which have common properties. Like class is the logical entity. It cannot be physical. It contains fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested class and interface. The different ways to create an the different ways for this class are suppose let's understand about the class. Suppose the class is like example is fruit. So fruit is the category which does not exist physically, but the but it contains the apple, banana, mango. These are the fruits. So these fruits are the object of the class fruit. So the class here class is fruit and objects are apple, banana and mango, which are the physical entities. For so this is about the class. The next we will see about the object. The object is the physical as well as the logical entity. And the class, as we know that it is the logical entity only. So the object is the entity which has state and behavior is known as an object. For example, pencil, apple, book, these are the objects. The object has mainly three characteristics like state, behavior and identity. So what is state? It represents the data or value of the object. Next one is the behavior. Behavior represents the functionality of that particular object. And next one is the identity. Typically it is implemented via unique ID. Its value of ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is used internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. So for explaining this, the example is the pen. The pen is the object. Suppose we are taking the pen of cello. So cello is the name which gives the identity of that particular pen. And suppose the color is red, so that is the state of that particular pen, and it is used for writing. It is the behavior, that is functionality of that pen. So this object is the instant of class, and class is the template or blueprint from which objects are created. So there are some definitions of object are given. They are like the object is the real world entity, object is the runtime entity, object is an entity which has state and behavior. Thank you. This is about the object and class in Java.